Welcome to the final essay. Your final essay is open. Um, you should and you must, not you should, but you must do your outline before you start your final essay. So if you submit your outline and you are ready to start writing, you can start. Okay, so your final paper is worth 40 points. There is a peer editing that is going to be due on June 23rd. So please, even if you're not done completely with your paper, submit something on that 23rd so that it can be peer edited. The final submission is due on June 25th. That is the Thursday, the last day of class. You can submit before that anytime as long as you are ready. And so let's discuss here. Right here in yellow, Word documents only. Do not put a Google Docs just because if it doesn't open on that, if you submit it on the 25th and then on the 26th early morning on that Friday, I'm going to start grading them. And I can't open yours because it's a Google Doc. I'm going to send it back to you. You're going to have to make sure it's in a Word document and you'll get points off. So please make sure that it's in a Word. So the other thing too you need to do is your final submission must be submitted to Turnitin. That means that you want to stay below 25% of the similarity score. Turnitin, people think it is a plagiarism site. It isn't. It's a site to check how similar your text is to other published texts, so other students' writing or to websites. So the way to avoid this is paraphrase carefully and cite your references. You are using APA to cite. I am not going to be a stickler on the correct citing. If you have some citations in there, I will help you correct them if they're incorrect, but I am going to be a stickler on the fact that you need to cite. Please paraphrase. Refrain from using quotes. Quotes, so many of them, it looks like you don't understand what you read. You're just copying from the material, putting it in quotes and a citation. No. Get the information, put it in your own words. What did you make of the information you read and cite it? Questions come up on the APA. How many citations do we need? It's not about how many. It's any time it's not your original idea. If you are saying, hey, this is what people should do, this is why people should believe this way on the issue because 90% of this, but wherever you're getting the statistics, cite it. Most people do this, cite it. Unless it's your own ideas, you don't need to cite it. So there's a lot of citations. Make sure you edit. Even though you're going to have a peer review, meaning someone in the class, it'll be anonymous, will look at your paper on the 23rd, you need to still edit your work. And if you're a peer editor, please take the time to really edit that person's work and help them out. But all of you are responsible for editing your own paper as well. So if someone doesn't get to it, you still need to edit and check your work. Check it for grammar, punctuation. Sorry about that. Sentence structure. And check it for all of those items. You have a rubric right here. You have a rubric. Please look at the rubric on Canvas. I followed the rubric on the outline, and I will follow the rubric when I'm grading your paper. The APA template is right here. That template is going to be, let me get out of the screen here. There we go. Sorry about that. Okay, so you need to make sure that you use this template. We are not using an abstract because the abstract is really a summary of a very long paper that you've written. And this is only a 5-paragraph paper. Might seem long to you, but it's not long enough for an abstract. Okay, you have plenty of time to get your research done, your outline, and your final paper. Take your time. This is 35% of your grade is your final paper. So read it over and over, edit it, use Grammarly, use the talk-to-speech application to help you edit your paper. I believe that I gave you those resources on week 2. So go back to the week 2 video, look at your APA, look at your Grammarly, all of that to edit your paper. I expect the best. It is your final. Good luck.